Hi students, welcome back to the new video. This is a very important video. In this video, we'll be discussing about bit part, which are very important for your Telangana state board examination, 10th class board examination. And we'll be discussing about nearly 100 important bits, which will be useful to you, in the board examination. Let's start the bit part. The first bit is, if an object is placed at the center of curvature on the principal axis in front of a concave mirror, where will the image be formed? For this, the right option is C, at the center of curvature. That is the right answer. Next, second bit, can we see an inverted image in any mirror? No, mirrors only show erect images. This first option is right. Second one is no way. Yes, in a plane mirror we cannot. In plane mirror also we'll see virtual images only. Yes, in a convex mirror it is a virtual image and erect image and not inverted image. Yes, in a concave mirror when the object is beyond the focus. No. So the right option for this one is, can we see an inverted image in any mirror means, no, we cannot see inverted images in the mirror. Inverted images are formed in front of the mirror. Now, for the second question, the right option is A. Now, the third question is, where should we place an object in front of a concave mirror to form the image on the object itself? That is, at the center of curvature. Right option is C, at the center of curvature. Now, the fourth question is, can we focus sunlight at a point using a mirror instead of a magnifying glass? Okay, I will repeat the question. Can we focus sunlight at a point using a mirror instead of a magnifying glass? That is D. Yes, using a concave mirror is right option. By using a concave mirror, we can able to focus the light rays. Next, the fifth question is matching. Match the mirror terms with definitions. So for this one is column A, column B are there. In column A we have pole. We know that pole means midpoint of the mirror surface. And next one is center of curvature. That is C. Second one, center of curvature. For this, the right option is A. 1B, 2D, third one E, fourth C, fifth one A. That is, for fifth question, the right option is A. Next, we'll deal with the sixth question. So, sixth question, match the mirror type with application. Concave mirror. So, concave mirror is used as a dentist mirror, and convex mirror, rear view mirror in vehicles, we know that, and parabolic mirror, that is D, car headlights, and fourth one, plane mirror, that is C, periscope. Okay, so this is for the sixth question, the right option is A. Next one, seventh one, match magnification M with image nature. So for this seventh question, and we'll see the column A and column B options are there. Magnification M is equal to -1. That is, for this one, in the given matchings, B. And next one is M is magnification is greater than 1. That is a positive value for this virtual erect magnified image. And third one, magnification is less than 1 and a positive value for this one. That is virtual erect and diminished image is the right one. And for fourth one, magnification is greater than 1 and a negative. And for this one is real inverted magnified. So for seventh multiple choice, the right option is A. Okay, next one, eighth question. Match image nature with a mirror position, concave. So in this object at C, the image will be formed at infinity. That is, for column A, first one, and in column B, the right one is B. And object between F and C, the image is beyond C, that is for D. Second one is D. And object beyond C, image is between F and C, that is for a third column, 3 option. right is C. And next one, fourth one, object at C, image is also formed at C. Now for the eighth question, eighth multiple choice, the right option is A. Next one, ninth one, match the sign convention concave mirror. Column A, column B, we have object distance U was given. It is object distance U was given, it is always negative, we know that. Focal length F. For a concave mirror, focal length is a negative, that is C in front of the mirror. And next one, third one, image distance. So for third one, image distance V is, that is positive for virtual image. And height of the object is for this one D, always positive above the axis. So for ninth multiple choice, the right option is A, and even C is also right because both were given as ACBD and ACBD. So ninth multiple choice, right option is either A or C. And next one, 10th matching. Match the scenario with the image type. Okay, column A we have solar cooker, sun. Okay, so for the 10th question, and we are going to check with the column A and column B matchings. Solar cooker, that is sun. Solar cooker, we have is a real point sized image it forms. Shaving mirror, face close, that is it will virtual, erect and magnified. And next one is car rear view mirror. You know that is virtual, erect and diminished image. And a projector, concave mirror, for this one is real magnified image. So for 10th one, the right option is A. And 11th one, if you are underwater looking up at a friend standing on the edge of the pool, how does the friend appear to you? I will repeat the question. If you are underwater looking up at a friend standing on the edge of the pool, how does the friend appear to you? That is, first option is shorter than usual. Second one is taller than usual. C is the same height. And D is inverted. So for the 11th one, the right answer is B, taller than usual. And 12th question, a lemon in a glass of water appears bigger when we viewed from sides. It is because of, I will repeat, a lemon in a glass of water appears bigger when viewed from the sides. It is because of, that is, for this, the right one is refraction of light. It is not reflection of light. It is not scattering of light. It is not dispersion of light. It is the right option is C, that is a refraction of light. 12th right option is C. And next 13th one we have is, if two converging lenses are placed in the path of parallel rays so that the rays remain parallel after passing through both, what is the distance between them? So if two converging lenses are placed in the path of parallel rays so that the rays remain parallel after passing through both, what is the distance between them? And for 13th one, the right option is C, F1 plus F2. Next one, 14th one. What happens when parallel rays of light fall on a lens making an angle with the principal axis? What happens when parallel rays of light fall on a lens making an angle with the principal axis? For this, the right option is C, they converge at a point on the focal plane. Okay, next 15th question is, a transparent glass sphere has a small opaque dot at its center. When observed from outside, the apparent position of the dot is, that is, closer to the surface, further away, the same as its actual position, invisible. The right option for the 15th one is C, the same as its actual position. So 16th one, we have 16th question. For a concave lens, irrespective of the object's position, the image is formed is always, that is, options are real and inverted, B is virtual, erect and magnified, C is virtual, erect and diminished, and D is real and magnified. The right option for this one is C, virtual, erect and diminished. And next 17th question. To verify experimentally that the focal length of a convex lens increases in water, we need, I will repeat, to verify experimentally that the focal length of the convex lens increases in water, we need a cylindrical vessel 4 times deeper than the focal length, and B, a flat mirror, A prism, C, and D is a glass slab. The right option for this one is A cylindrical vessel 4 times deeper than the focal length. Next one, 18th one, match the lens type with the shape. So in this biconvex, you know, as usual, it has got two spherical surfaces curved outwards, and biconcave, one flat, one bulging outwards. Biconcave, one flat, one bulging outwards. Plano-convex, two spherical surfaces bulging outwards. Concavo-convex, one concave, one convex. So I will repeat: biconvex, two spherical surfaces are curved outward inwards. Biconvex, that is a wrong. And now biconcave, for biconvex, two spherical surfaces are bulged outwards. For first one it is C. For biconcave, two spherical surfaces are curved inwards. And third one, plano-convex, is plano-convex means that is one flat, one bulged outwards. Concavo-convex, one concave, one convex. So for 18th one, the right option is A. Okay, next 19th question. Match the image nature convex lens. The lens was convex lens. Object at infinity, we know that object at infinity, if the object is placed at infinity, the image is real inverted point size. That's right. Object between F and P. Object between F and P, that is virtual erect magnified. Object at 2F, that is real inverted same size. Object between F and 2F, okay, image is real inverted magnified. So for 19th one, the right option is A. And next 20th, match refractive index conditions lens versus medium. So column A, it is somewhat difficult question. Please concentrate on this much, and then you can check whether the answer is perfect or not by yourself even. Okay. So before listening to my answer, you check yourself whether you can answer this question or not. So refractive index of the lens is greater than refractive index of the medium. In this A, B, C, D, which one is right, you check. And refractive index of the lens is less than refractive index of the medium. And in A, B, C, D, which one is correct, you check once. And refractive index of the lens is equal to refractive index of the medium. In this also, you check the option. And air bubble in water, how it acts like. So for 20th one, the right option is A. That is, refractive index of the lens is greater than refractive index of the medium. It acts like a converging lens. If the refractive index of the lens is less than the refractive index of the medium, it acts like a diverging lens. If the refractive index of the lens is equal to refractive index of the medium, okay, then it is the lens disappears. Air bubble in water acting like a diverging lens. So for 20th one, the right option is A. And next 21st question. If the maximum focal length of the eye lens is slightly less than 2.5 centimeter, if the maximum focal length of the eye lens is slightly less than 2.5 centimeter, okay, then the person suffers from, then the person will suffer with myopia. Okay. Next question is somewhat related to that. 22nd one, if the minimum focal length of the eye lens is slightly greater than 2.27 centimeter, the person suffers from, that is, for this the right option is C, hypermetropia. And 23rd one, if you view a rainbow from an airplane, its shape would likely be a complete circle. For this 23rd one, right answer is A. The type of image formed on the retina is, we know that, okay, the image is real, inverted and diminished. And for the 24th one, the right option is C. And 25th one, the white beam of light split into colors when passing through a prism is due to. I will repeat the question. The white beam of light split into colors when passing through a prism is due to. For this, the right option is B. A was given is the prism adds colors to the light. Different colors travel at different speeds in glass. And 25th one, reflection at the surface, interference of the light waves. And for the 25th one, the right option is different colors travel at different speeds in the glass. Speeds will change. The intensity will change, frequency will remain constant, wavelength will change. Okay, next one. And next, match eye parts with functions. Iris. And 26th question, iris, we know that iris main function is controls amount of light entering. We know that pupil main function is screen for image formation. No, aperture for light entry. Next, retina. Okay, screen for image formation. Third one is C. And ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles. Adjusting the lens focal length D. And lens. Lens is useful. 26th one. And 26th one, 5th one, lens. Lens is useful for formation of image. So, here for 26th one, the right option is A. Match the phenomenon with the example. Now the column A and column B are given. Okay, dispersion. So dispersion occurs, gives rise to rainbow. Scattering, blue sky. Refraction, swimming pool, depth illusion. Power of accommodation, reading at 25 centimeter. So for 28th one, the right option is A. Okay, next one. Next, 27th one. Okay, the 27th one is right option is A. And now the 28th one. Match values for healthy eye. Okay, so least distant of distinct vision, that is, we know that 25 centimeter. And angle of vision is 60 degrees. Maximum focal length of the eye lens is that is 2.5 centimeter. Minimum focal length of the eye lens is 2.27. We know that. So for 28th one, the right option is A. And now the 29th one, match cause with effect, atmosphere. Column A, column B. So in this we have is molecules N2O2 responsible for blue color sky. Okay, and next, water vapor, dust. This is responsible for what? Water vapor, dust. 29th one, that is white sky. Thick atmosphere, horizon, that is B, red sunset. Okay, no atmosphere, black sky. So for 29th one, the right option is A. Okay, next one is match vision conditions. Okay, in this 30th question, match vision conditions. Elongated eyeball, we know that hypermetropia. Shortened eyeball, myopia. Weak ciliary muscles, perfectly presbyopia. Cloudy lens, cataract, general knowledge application question, actually this one. So cataract is because of cloudy lens. So for the 30th one, the right option is A. That is, next one is 31st one. Tungsten is used for making the filament of a bulb because we know that because of high melting point and high resistivity. It is not low melting point and low resistivity. It is a good insulator. It is also wrong. It is cheap. It is also wrong. The right option for 31st one is B, high melting point and high resistivity. And 32nd bit, how are the headlights of the car connected? So the headlights of the car are connected in parallel combination. 32nd one, right option is B. And next one, 33rd one, bird does not get a shock when it stands on a high voltage wire due to. Birds are insulators? No way, they are conductors only. There is no potential difference between its legs. We need to think about it. And 33rd one, the wire is insulated? No way. And 33rd one, the D1 is the current is too low. It is also no way. For 33rd one, the right option is there is no potential difference between its legs because the bird used to sit on only one wire. Okay, a fuse, 34th one, a fuse wire is used in household circuits. Okay, to increase voltage, it is wrong option. To reduce electricity bills, it is wrong option. To protect appliances from overloading, it is perfectly right option. And to store energy, it is wrong option. So 34th one, right answer is C. Okay, that is to protect appliances from overloading. Next, 35th one, the SI unit of electric power is, electric power SI unit is watt. That is right. 35th one, right option is C. And 36th one, the instrument is used to measure potential difference. That is right option for 36th one is C, voltmeter. Match unit with the quantity. So 37th one, we are going to deal matchings. Coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of electric charge. We know that. Ampere is the unit of electric current. And ohm, volt is the unit of potential difference. Ohm is the unit of resistance. Watt is the unit of power. So for the 37th one, the right option is A. Okay, next 38th question. Match connection type with a characteristic. Okay, that is 38th one, series combination. Series combination, same current. In series combination, current is constant. Parallel combination, voltage is constant. Household wiring, connected in parallel connection only. And ammeter connection, always current in series in any circuit. So for 38th one, right option is A. And now the 39th question, match values with significance. 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to actually 1000 watt hour. If you convert it into perfect value, then it is a 3.6 into the power of 6 joule. Next, 240 volt household potential difference. That is right only. 20 ampere overloading limit example. And 0.07 ampere fatal to human heart. So for 39th one, the right option is A. And 40th question, match scientific contributions. Drude and Lawrence, column A, Drude and Lawrence. Okay, electron theory of conductors were proposed. Next, you will find this one in electric current chapter. And second one, Ohm gives rise to VI relationship. And Kirchhoff laws is circuit laws. Kirchhoff current law and voltage law, two laws are there. And Joule is related to heating. So for the 40th bit, the right option is A. And the 41st one, okay, if both the coil and a bar magnet moves in the same direction with the same speed, then a large current is induced. The magnet loses magnetism. No induced current flows. The coil heats up. So for 41st one, the right option is C. And 42nd one, the direction of magnetic field inside a solenoid. I will repeat, the direction of magnetic field inside a solenoid. It is from south to north. Everybody knows this, I think so. North to south is outside solenoid. Inside the solenoid, it is from south to north. Okay. Now 42nd one is, right option is B. And next 43rd bit. Which law states that induced current opposes the change in flux? 43rd one, that is Ohm's law. No way, it is wrong option. Faraday's law is not there. It is wrong option. And even Kirchhoff law, D is also wrong option. The right option is Lenz's law. Because according to Lenz's law, the induced current will appear in such a direction that it opposes the change that produced within it. So 43rd one, right option is C. And 44th bit, to get DC current flow, current from a generator, what component is used? Full slip rings? No way. A stronger magnet? No way. More wire turns? No way. And B option is half slip rings commutators. So 44th one, right option is B. And 45th bit, in the magnetic leviation experiment, if DC is used instead of AC, what happens to the ring? So for this, it leviates continuously. No way, it won't leviate, it won't jump. It jumps up once and falls back. We need to think about this option. And C is it does not move. No way. And D is it spins rapidly. No way. So for the 45th one, the right option is B. It jumps up once and falls back. Jumps up once and falls back. And next one is 46th bit. Now we are having again match rule with application. Right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule is related to direction of the magnetic field around wire. That's right. Right hand rule, palm force. Okay. Direction of magnetic force on charge. Okay. Next one. Lenz's law, direction of induced current. Faraday's law, magnitude of induced EMF. So for 46th one, the right option is A. And next one, 47th bit. Match the formula with the quantity. Magnetic force on the charge, moving charge, formula F is equal to QVB sin theta. And magnetic force on wire, ILB sin theta or BIL sin theta, Bill sin theta. Okay, magnetic flux, BA cos theta. Motional EMF, BLV. So for 47th one, the right option is A. And next one, 48th. Match component with function, motor generator. Okay, now 48th bit. Slip rings used in AC generator. We know that is to reverse the direction of the current. Commutator slip rings used in DC motor or generator. Carbon brushes connect static circuit to rotating coil. We know that. Okay, carbon brushes are B1, B2 are there. They are useful, okay, to static the circuit to rotating coil. And field magnet provides magnetic field. So that is for 48th one, the right option is A. 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D. And 49th bit. What is the 49th bit? We'll check with that. Match scientist with discovery. Oersted, current produces magnetic field. We know that we are having Oersted experiment, very, very important activity. And Faraday's electromagnetic induction, Faraday's law of electromagnetic, Lenz's law, direction of induced current. How the direction of the current will change. Okay, Tesla, unit of magnetic field. So for 49th one, the right option is A.